Hey guys, so today I have a tutorial for you. I'm just gonna do a voiceover on how I did this everyday glowy spring makeup look. It's really dewy. I love the way it looks. It's so like, it's not natural, but it's not like nothing like crazy. And if you want to like glam it up, throw on some fake lashes and you're good to go. So I used all Drugstore in this video because who doesn't like cheap makeup? Okay, let's get right into this video. So first I'm putting rose hip and vitamin C oil on my face, and then the L'Oreal mist, and then I'm applying my healthy foundation from Physicians Formula and mixing it with the Wet n Wild Dewy Primer. And by the way, I'll have everything linked below, and I'll have like all of the shades to the products I use down below. And then I'm going in with my Infallible Pro Glow Concealer under my eyes and on my eyelids. And then I'm setting it in place with the Milani Loose Powder in 01. And I really like this powder, it's really nice. And I'm just putting that on my under eyes and on my eyelids. And then I'm going in with a contour stick from Jordana, and I love it. It blends out so easily, and I think using a cream contour is best when you're trying to do a glowy look, because powder obviously is kind of mattifying, so using something cream will look more dewy. So yeah, I just kept reapplying it and blending it out with my Jeffree Star Morphe sponge. And then I did it to the other side. And then I took my loose powder again and kind of baked under the contour so that there's like a sharper line, I guess. And then I'm patting some of the powder into my forehead, and then I am dusting away the bake, and then I'm going over the contour with my shimmery baked bronzer from Milani, and then I'm going in with the Rimmel bronzer, and I'm just putting that on my lid and crease just for like a natural color on the lid. And then a Wet n Wild blush. I'm spraying my face again with that mist, and then using two Wet n Wild highlighters, which, like I said, I'll have the names of them in the description. And I'm just using a Morphe highlight brush to do that, and I'm applying it to the tip of my nose and on my Cupid's bow. And I'm just blending it in with my sponge and adding the highlighter also to my inner corner and under my brow bone. And then I'm using the Maybelline Serum and Maybelline Snapscara on my eyes. Oh, and also before I put on the mascara, I used a nude liner to brighten up my eyes. So that's like an easy way to open up your eyes, is to use a white or a nude liner on your waterline. And then I put on a Milani lip gloss. I sprayed with the NYX Dewy Spray. That's it. Hope you guys like my new hair. Shout out Jill. I'm gonna leave her Instagram right here. Go check her out. She is super talented, and she made me a blonde bombshell today. So anyway, I hope you liked this look. Comment, like, subscribe, share, do anything you feel like doing. Yeah, hope you enjoy. Bye guys.